What if I tell you, people are making money on YouTube in 2026 without showing their face, without recording videos, and sometimes without even talking? And no, this is not a scam. These are faceless YouTube niches that are still paying, really. Well, stay till the end because niche number 3 surprises everyone. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 faceless YouTube niches that still pay in 2026, how they make money, and which one is best for beginners. And if you like learning smart ways to earn online, hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Niche number 1, motivation and quote channels. These channels don't use faces. They reuse quotes, AI voice, and simple visuals, yet some get millions of views. But wait. Niche number 2 makes even more money with less effort. Niche number 2, AI explainers and interesting facts. People love short explanations like how AI works, hidden tech facts, or future of money. If this niche sounds interesting, comment AI below. Now listen. Niche number 3 is where real money starts. Niche number 3, finance stories and money explanations. Topics like budgeting, saving, side hustles, and money habits pay very high CPM. Even a small channel can earn more than a big entertainment channel. Like this video if you want more finance plus AI content. Niche number 4, Reddit and story channels. People love drama, stories, and real experiences, and you don't need a face or camera. But niche number 5 is best for beginners with zero skills. Niche number 5, top lists and explicable videos. Top 5 facts, top 10 ideas, or top mistakes. These videos work forever. Subscribe if you want full tutorials on this niche. Now let me save you from beginner mistakes. Focus on one niche, upload consistently, and improve slowly. In the next video, I'll show exactly how to automate this with the AI. So these were the top 5 faceless YouTube niches that still pay in 2026. Comment full if you want a step-by-step automation tutorial. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss AI money hacks. Don't work hard, work smart with AI Hustle Hub.